if you are looking for assistance with your Maxview Roam or Roam X Wi-Fi system. You can go to our website at www.maxview.co.uk. Go to Support. Then to Maxview Roam Troubleshooting. Here you will find many expandable topics covering the most common issues found with the Roam and Roam X systems, along with recommended solutions. You can view this page on web or mobile. The link to the page is in the description of this video. If you are still having issues, you can send us an email at support@maxview.co.uk or call us on 01553 811 000. Opening hours are below.